Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up translator on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. Open your settings, scroll down, press on to general management, showing it to Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and you get translation. You just set up to Samsung or Google. To continue, you just select anyone and change or customize your language. At first need to download. Okay, now it's installing. Once it complete to install, now successfully add in this section. Okay, showing it to add language, or if you want to add more, just press on to download, or if you want to delete any language, press on to delete option, press on delete. That's how you can easily set up this.